Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, what a day. It seems it was the right thing to do to sell, get rid of all my margin and rebalance my portfolio because it's been a rubbishy kind of day. Last chance, of course, for tax harvesting. I do expect to see somewhat of a positive start to the year. And by Monday, I should have some money to deploy to buy and reset and start again. So I'm happy with my position. I'm happy with the way the year ended. End of the day, I've got more shares than I've ever had before. I've got no margin. I've got no debt. I'm happy. So that's the most important thing. Let's get straight into our live trades and see where we are this afternoon. Okay, here we go. If it's your very first time here, please click subscribe and ring the bell. And as always, it really helps us. We go live up to 10 hours a day, sharing with you the most honest, real trades with wonderful investors and traders from around the world who equally share with you their live trades and positions. So smash the like button. A simple tap of the like button makes all the difference. Give us a thumbs up. It really, all it does is shares the video to more people. Thank you very much. All right, let's get straight into it. And the first person here during the live show was and is Caden. How are you this afternoon, Caden? Lovely to have you here. Many of you were here before the show started. We had Stephen Lewandowski, William Wallace, Mike, all coming in now to the live show. Welcome, guys. It's the last show of the year. And we've got an announcement to make. In fact, we will make that announcement, I think, on Tuesday, the first day of the year. That's when we'll make that announcement. Noy Elminger is here as well. How are you, Noy? Lovely to have you here. Welcome. Let's go through our positions right now. The S&P, which is now 53% of my portfolio currently, with $17,000, waiting for a new all-time low to buy and reduce it. Remember, most hedge funders use the S&P 500 as a benchmark, and most lose against the S&P 500. So for me, it should be a strong part of my portfolio, and it is. Okay. Virgin Galactic, it's now 10% of my portfolio, rebalanced, restructured as of last night. Happy with that. I'd like to take some profits and buy it back more. Virgin Orbit, that's down at the moment, but we've got a couple of weeks to go before the flights, allegedly this time. Tesla, as we saw, didn't rally like everybody said, and oh my gosh, it's so funny today. Quite a few people saw my video about me resetting my portfolio, and I've had comments on Twitter and StockWits and Reddit and all over the place saying another idiot, another retail investor doesn't know what he's doing. These people that are so adamant on never selling a stock, whether it's up or down, it doesn't make any sense whatsoever. I admire the fact they are completely oblivious to the markets, and they are happy to be ultimately bullish regardless of whatever happens. But that's not how I run my portfolio. And if you want to think I'm an idiot, that's absolutely fine by me. But there you go. I have sold my Tesla. I will buy some more. If I miss it, it doesn't matter to me. I'm still getting over COVID, by the way. So the few odds and sneezes are still happening. Anyway, Tesla is just moving up very slightly. Rivian. And the other thing that happened today, of course, we knew about was Elon Musk tweeting about drugs and God knows what else. I think we read about that, and it drove the price down this morning. It popped up and it's gone back down again. So there we go. Nothing amazing. Rivian is down at the moment. Martin, did you see my Discord? I haven't had a chance to reply to you yet. Caden, I will this weekend. Let me have a quick look into Discord right now. You sent me a message over there in the chat, and I will reply to it this weekend. Okay, Caden, I apologise for not getting around to it yet. I get thousands of messages a day, and I reply to all of my members, and I will reply to yours. It's in the general chit chat. Let me go over to it right now. Is there anything new you've just posted? Yes. I will actually share that on the screen so everyone can have a look at this. Caden, one of our investors, one of our family members as well, posted this in Discord. This might be of interest to you. It's here in Discord, in general chit chat. If you want to go and check that out, you can. I'm going to take a look at it, and Caden wanted to know my thoughts, and he's putting here, please share, read, and share your thoughts. So if you want to go and check that out, that would be wonderful, and I will reply to you, Caden. All right. Thanks for sending that in. Carrying on, let me just change my screen down here a minute. There we go. Rivian is just moving up slightly. Lucid, it's rebounded a bit today, but we're now down at $6.72. I'm out of the stock at the moment, other than one market share. Amazon, I'm holding my position. It is expensive still. I'd like to buy some more. My average is 100. I will add to it. It's just my views on what's to come in the market of 2023. Wonderful. I will check it out, Caden. Apple, Robinhood, just turned green. McDonald's. Wonderful to see McDonald's coming down like this. This always holds money, always makes money, and always gives me a good dividend. So I am going to buy back some more McDonald's, but not just yet. Coca-Cola, the same thing. Very, very expensive, but again, a great company to own. Same with J&J. All these stocks today have had a bit of a sell-off. 50,000 shares of Tilray will become #1 cannabis of the world. I still believe in Tilray, but I have sold all my Tilray at the moment. I've rebalanced my portfolio, as you all know. Now then, if you are watching right now, and you will notice that 95% of all our live viewers are members. If you'd like to be a member, so you get all your questions answered, all your replies featured, plus many, many more perks and benefits, there is the invitation to join. Famous last words for stock picking: always make money. Yeah, always make money. Who said always make money? 50 shares till this will become #1. Who was it who said always make money? I'm just trying to see where the post was. Who posted always make money? I'm not sure who that was now. Anyway, there's the invitation to join. If you want to access Discord and talk to all our traders, investors, see all our top tips, you can. Here's the invitation to join. It's free to be a member of our Discord server. There it is. You did. McDonald's always makes money. Oh, I see. It does, though. It does. McDonald's has always made me money, though. Yeah, I know. I stand by what I said. McDonald's earns me a decent dividends, like Coca-Cola, J&J. They're my defensive stocks. I don't mind owning those. Solid companies. I took profits. I was up like 8-9%, or 10% actually, I think. But I will buy back. And this time, I should be able to hold a lot further. I'll be buying $7,000 worth a year into my Roth IRA. I intend to do that. I also am putting $2,000 a month minimum into the stock market. Now I have my gigs and my YouTube income, so it'll be $2,000 a month. I'll be able to put into into my portfolio every month, starting tomorrow night. So on Monday, I'll have my first wages. So there we go. IonQ, SoFi, Walmart, Tesco, Canoe, Tilray, currently out of it. Still going down. Oops, let's pop back up again. There we go. Wonderful stuff. Now then, tonight, you might like to join me in an hour and 20 minutes from now. It's our live event on my music channel. If you want to join me for some live music, you want to make a request, trust you are feeling better, Mr. Lucas, Upper Joe. I'm a bit better, yeah. I'm over COVID, I think, the worst. But then after COVID, I ended up getting a cold, so with a cough and everything else. So I'm getting there, but thank you very much for asking. Thank you very much for asking. I think everybody must have seen my special announcement video of how I sold $50,000 worth of stock. Here is the video. If you didn't see it, there it is in the chat. You can go and mark that and watch that later. I can't believe it, actually. It's been one of the most successful videos I've ever put out. And in the first hour, it's done. I will show you on the screen. In the first hour, this is by far the most successful video I've ever done. Look. In the first hour, 166 views. I'm thrilled to bits with that. Number 1 out of 10. This one here sold $50,000 worth of stock. Thrilled to bits. 166 views in the first hour. By a long way, that's my most popular video. In the first hour, that is. Anyway. Here we go. So we're down at the moment. The S&P. I'm not going to be buying anything else today if we're going to get a bit of a rally. I'm looking to buy when it goes down, not when it goes up. I would, however, if we suddenly got a bounce of Virgin Galactic, if we can suddenly get over $3.95, $4, I can't see it happening, but if it did, I would sell some off the top. We had a bit of a moment today with Virgin Galactic. I checked to see the wires. There was no news. There was no reason for it. It's just people buying in and then dumping it as fast as they buy it. No news at all. Let's have a look at these questions. Okay, I've just been doing 150 a week in the market right now. Very nice indeed, Caden. Yeah, so I reset my portfolio. I don't know if you saw the video. And I restructured. I have no margin. I had $50,000 worth of margin. I was basically doubled my position. It's all gone, reset. Even for losses, I don't care. And I'm going to be adding my YouTube income and my gig income of $2,000 a month. That's what I can put in. Now, as my YouTube channel grows, I'll put in more. I do a Saturday night gig every Saturday, plus my YouTube, and I'm going to be putting that in, which is about $2,000 a month after my expenses, and I'm looking forward to that. So you will see my portfolio go up by $2,000 a month. And the idea is, not only am I saving 7%, which will soon be 8% margin, which it will next month, in my uninvested cash, and you can see there's 221 there right now. I'll also be receiving 4% from Robinhood for uninvested cash. So I'm very happy with that. So I don't like wasting any money, and I think we're on top of it now. Let's read Market's comment. I just ordered 30 tons of manure for the spring. That's something that will always make you money. Brown gold, says Market Profit. I love that. Very, very good. Craig, hi, Stephen. Hello, Joe. Mohammed. Hi, Mohammed from Palm Bay, Florida. Was an emotional video. You will hit that goal of 200,000 in the next few years, Martin. Thank you, Craig. Thank you for watching it. And thank you everyone that left a comment and liked it. I really appreciate it. It's really done well. 166 views in the first hour. We're just over the first hour now. Yeah. 167 now. Should have held space, though, so close to the flights being due. Craig, let's get one thing straight. This is my Virgin Galactic position. It's still 10%, look, of my portfolio. It's not like it's nothing. Look, 10% of my portfolio is still in Virgin Galactic. It's all about balance. I mean, at the end of the day, you're absolutely right. If we get the flights announced today and up she goes to $10, you know, my money will 3x. Well, that's fantastic, right? So it doesn't matter what I would have had, could have had, it's what I have got. I was thinking about this today. It's very much like saying, if I went out today and I did a bit of networking, which I know how to do, I used to do a lot of it, I'm sure I'd find somebody who had a wedding or a function or a party, and they would hire me, and I would earn $3, $4, $5,000. Okay, so have I lost that money today because I've not gone out and networked? Well, no, because it was never available to me. It's just the same as if I went out today and bought a lottery ticket. If you don't buy a lottery ticket, you're not going to win. So it makes no difference. Steady growth. I would rather have $100 in the bank, and it's my $100, than to have $1 million and debts and finance because you've got nothing. And I remember about 20 years ago when I went bankrupt with the show One Night in Vegas. I lost everything, and I walked out of the bank with $1, a £1 coin, and it was my first £1 I'd ever owned in my entire life. Well, my professional life, that is. Because I had sports cars and jet skis and money and lorries and trucks and orchestras and dancers and touring all over the world with my show. But we owed millions. When I owned a pound, it was my first pound. And I remember buying some bread and some milk. Can't do that today, by the way, can you? But anyway, I bought some bread and milk, and it was my bread and my milk for the very first time. So right now, I have $3,000 worth of Virgin Galactic. There's no options. Nothing's going to expire. There's no margin. I own that. That's my money. And I'm very excited about it. And I'm earning money on my uninvested cash. I'm not paying any interest. It's all mine. And tomorrow night, I'm doing a gig. I'm earning $900 tomorrow night, doing a piano bar gig for New Year's Eve. All of that $900 will go straight into my account. I get paid on Wednesday. And on Wednesday, if I get paid on time, that's always debatable. But if I get paid on time, you will see the $900 go straight into my account. And I will look out for the bargains. Now, just because I've got $900 doesn't mean to say I'm going to rush out and spend $900. I'll be looking for the dips. I'll be looking for things that are on sale, that are fair price. And I will diversify. I'll add a few things and buy a few things. But if nothing is presenting itself to me, it will sit in my cash and it will earn me 4%. No stress, no fear. And ETORO said, that's quite inspiring, motivating to build wealth. Thank you, ETORO. Thank you. Sorry, Martin, I'm on a lunch date with my best girl. I have on, but can't hear. There we go. Mike's on a date. Lovely stuff. 10% of your portfolio is still an overweight position. It is an overweight position, but I am very bullish on on Virgin Galactic. I don't see it going bankrupt. I don't see it going down much lower. I do expect there to be flights soon, and I will trim. So, market, when we get a flight, which could be next week, or information of, this could pop up to $10. I will sell and get some profit out of it. I will end up probably selling 50% to get my profit out, and then wait for it to fall again. So I will do that. Okay, so it won't remain 10%. As my profit grows, I'll be able to take the profit and buy back into my other stocks as they fall. So that's what I'm looking to do. Saving money will be the trend in 2023. Are you holding VORB for the flight? Yes, I'm also holding VORB for the flight. There we go. And that's exactly the same situation. I've got 452 shares of VORB. And as soon as Virgin Orbit flies and it pops up to probably $4, I will take the profit there this time as well. It won't be like last time, where we're going to hold it forever and see what happens, and Tesla goes to 90 times earnings and we're still holding on to it. No. Like I said today, and I gave the analogy, if a can of Coke is $1 in the local Walmart, and you know that you use Coke and you get thirsty and you drink Coke, and I offer you Coke at 50 cents, you'll buy it, right? It's a fair price, it's a good investment, you're going to get thirsty, and so on. If I, on the other hand, said, Do you want my can of Coke? And it's $500. Because in 5 years' time, you're going to get really thirsty. In the future, it's going to be really valuable. Would you pay it? Of course you wouldn't. Because it doesn't matter how good the investment, how good the product is, or the company is, or the asset is, you have overpaid. And that is the secret to what Warren Buffett has always talked about. And I knew that, and I just let it get carried away. We have to buy great companies, but we have to buy them at the right price, not at any price. And the only reason why certain products, certain stocks like Tesla, for example, went to $1,200, and Elon Musk, to be fair, even though I now think he's an idiot, even though he said, and he did say, the value, you shouldn't buy Tesla, he's always said that, young, impressionable, retail gambling investors, I should just say retail gamblers, we bought it and 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 kept going. It's going to go to $1 million like Bitcoin and everything else. And of course, it went up and up and up because no one sold it. And then it crashed all the way back down again. So now it's falling back to its value. Now it's probably fair value or getting close to it. Still 34 times earnings, but next earnings are supposed to be expectation to be up 50%. So we're somewhere in the region of like 16, 17 now. So it's getting there, but remember that's still 16, 17 times more times its earnings. So, it's still a lot, but we've just got used to expecting growth stocks to be like that. Doesn't mean to say it's it's good value though, right? Are there portfolio reviews going on your Discord? But it's probably a quite private topic for many. Are there portfolio reviews going? Yes, ETORO. If you access Discord, you can talk to all our traders, our top tips every morning. Ed Nivius gives us top tips that are right 90 times out of 100. Great tips. A lot of traders here make a lot of money from Ed Nivius, Muzanella. Lots of tips in there, lots of information. It's free to access, but if you want the exclusive channels from our traders, you need to be a YouTube member. So here is the free link to Discord. There it is. You can see the public channels. But if you want the members only channels, you need to be at least a bronze member on YouTube. As you can see, 95% of our viewers are. There is the invitation to YouTube. Anyway, time to go to a very short break. We've only got half an hour to go before the bell goes. And let's bring everybody up to date. Congratulations on our cash prize winner this morning. If you want to be in the cash prize draw for next Friday, ask me and I'll give you the link for it. Okay, I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back. And the overall portfolio is just moving a little bit. Good to see it moving a bit. As you can see, my buying power is 221. It's actually more than that. If you go here, it's 306. The reason for that is there's a pending order of an Amazon of a share of Google, which may or may not go through. We don't know. Next month, I'll be at another location. I'll check in if the YouTube membership is possible then. Wonderful stuff. Is it not available where you are right now? It should be available anywhere in the world. Oh, didn't you tell? Are you the guy from the Isle of Wight or somewhere? There's someone from the Isle of Wight who can't use it. All super chats are grayed out for me right now. I've no idea why. Yeah, don't know why that is. It might be your YouTube channel is set for children. You may have restrictions. You may have a family account. I don't know how old you are. Don't know if someone is restricting your account. That's probably why. Anyway, the S&P 500. Thanks to all who liked and commented on my video graciously. Oh, that's wonderful. Nice one, Queen. I'm glad I'm glad some people did that for you. That's awesome. I used to be in Germany, but right now I'm in Central America. There's no reason, ETORO, why it doesn't work. As I say, I think you must have your account restricted in some way. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Tesla, Rivian, I should be old enough. Well, we don't know, do we? We've no idea. Amazon 83, Apple. I want to welcome our guests on Live Stream Cafe this afternoon. Thank you to all of you. Wonderful to have you here. Hey, Mike, enjoy it. Mike's having Mike's on a date, I believe, which is nice, isn't it? Ah. I think we've got somebody. No, it doesn't look like they're streaming. I wanted to pop in and say hello to somebody, but I don't see them. When we have saved money ever been? When has saving money ever been a trend market profit? I went on a date last night. She drives a Ford Fusion. Hey, I went on a date last night. She drives a Ford Fusion. Hang on a minute. Does the Queen of Self-Braiding know about this? Does the Queen of Self-Braiding know about this date? We need to just run that by the Queen of Self-Braiding. Hang on a minute. What is going on here? What is going on? We need to check what's going on here. Might go live on the cafe tonight. Hey, that would be great. That would be great. And if I get chance, I will pop in, record you, and put you on... Oh, no, I forgot. Yeah. Yeah, you're in trouble now. Yeah, looks like Churchy's are going to get in trouble. Oh, he's going to be in trouble now. Oh, my gosh. Excellent stuff. Church, tell her you made a small cut after she bought that car. Brilliant. It looks like Church is going on dates without, without the Queen of Self-Braiding's approval. This isn't good. There's going to be hell up. There's going to be hell up on the show. I can see it coming on. Anyway. McDonald's down at the moment, 1.28. Coca-Cola down today, 0.81. Looking for some wonderful opportunities next year. Of course, the next show will be next year. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. We are back on, I think, the 3rd of January, Tuesday. Or Saturday's the 31st. So the 1st is Sunday. The 2nd is Monday. Yes, the 3rd is Tuesday. We're back on the 3rd. Church, I'll be buying a 2018 Mustang after my first year of college, so maybe I'll help the stock. Maybe it'll help the stock a little. It's bound to. Totally agree with you. Microsoft. Meta had a bit of a turnaround today, down 1.56, so it's gained a percent today. SoFi, IonQ, Walmart, Tesco. Trying to sell some Tesco when it pops up for me. Canoe, proud of you, little bro. There you go. And Tilray has just risen a little bit. Enphase Energy. Hello all, Daniel Smith is here. Welcome, Daniel Smith. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Just coming up to the half hour. We had a good cash giveaway this morning. Great stuff. All right, it's half an hour. On the half hour, you know what that means? It's a commercial break. Back in 10 seconds. Here we go. Mr. Django says, hi. Bav Mystery, hello all, Happy New Year, Happy New Year's Eve. Bav Mystery, one of our members here today, wonderful stuff. Thank you. Mr. Django is here. You should have a Day Trader of the Week contest in your Discord. I might even join in on the games and chip in towards the prize. Oh, I think it's best to do it here on the show market, but I'll take your thoughts on board there. I like the idea. Thank you for that suggestion. A Day Trader of the Week. I'm just trying to think how you would organise Day Trader of the Week, because we can all measure our daily success, but it's a bit more difficult to do the week. That would be fun, says Caden. Oh, hello. Looks like it's popular. So let me have a look here. You want to sponsor that? You want to sponsor the competition, do you? Like a market profit Day Trader of the Year. Well, we do have Day Trader of the Year. We do have Day Trader of the Year. The star, the number one fan of the year. Absolutely, we have a number one family member. We do. We do have a competition for the best member of the family. We do. That's been running all year. And it'll end tomorrow. So on Tuesday, I will give the winner. It's been a competition all year for our number one member. Absolutely. I'll be like Peru, but not a scam artist. Awesome stuff. It'd be great if you could just become a member, Market Profit. That would be the first thing to do. Get your account sorted out so you could be a member. That'd be the first thing. Hey Martin, do you hold space? Yes, I do, of course. It's 10% of my portfolio. Yes, I've trimmed down and rebalanced my portfolio. I shared it all today on a video. Did you see it? This is the special announcement video. Go and watch it. Excuse me. Go and watch it after today's event. It's the number one video on my channel right now. Special announcement video. There it is. But yes, it's 10% of my portfolio right now. Oh, you saw the video? Well, then you know then. Then you know. Virgin Orbit, 5% today. Still down 28%. Not buying anymore. Best stock for me to see is of red is NOVN, up 15% today. It could run up to SNDA. Submission for Mosculin, a skin disease only drug in the market on phase 3 trial. How many shares of it's on the screen? I just shared with you. There you go. I've trimmed it back to 1,000 shares. I'm going to be buying more when it goes back down again. There we go. I have $2,000 a month to invest on the stock market in cash, plus the profits I take from things. So that is exactly what I get. I get my first payment tomorrow night. Wednesday I get paid. It'll be in the bank, and I will start deploying more cash. This is the cash in my buying power. On the screen, you can see I've got $221 available, and there'll be $2,000 a month, plus my scalp trades in this account. Okay, there it is. So you can all see exactly what I've got. Okay. We are now rising into the close. Now then, if those of you that missed out on today's cash giveaway, congratulations to our winner who doubled up his money. It was the first time we doubled up with the Twitter retweet. That was awesome stuff. So there we go. Now next Friday, not only do we have the cash prize giveaway, we also have the Twitch as well. All right, so we have the Twitch next Friday as well. Every first Friday of the month, and we do Twitch. Now, I've just noticed we've lost a couple of subscribers, and the reason for that is we were at 14. You need to renew your subscriptions. Amazon do not auto-renew your subscriptions because it's free, right? They pay for it. So you've got to upgrade your subscriptions yourself. Okay, so there are a couple who just dropped off. And next Friday, we'll be doing the the cash prize giveaway for Twitch subscribers as well. So there's double prizes next Friday. I have over 12,000 space shares now, sold 2,554 to Harvest. Nice one, Stephen. I would love to. Once I earn more money on YouTube, I will buy some more. The flights are not that long away now. Virgin Orbit up 6.82. I'm out of the money though at 260. Tesla is up very slightly. It's very funny because Meet Kevin came on today and said, right, that's it now. The selling is over. Tesla's going to pop up today. Well, that didn't happen, did it? Well, it didn't do much good with Elon Musk coming on talking about drugs today. So anyway, I wonder when he's going to be thrown out of the CEO position. I mean, seriously. I'm over it now, by the way. I was angry. I'm not anymore. You can't keep telling everybody you're going to be the greatest superhero in the world and think you're going to get away with it. It doesn't work that way, does it? Are you still doing the Virgin Galactic? Yes. Yes, I am. Nothing's changed. Nothing has changed at all. And thanks for asking. But I'm glad you remembered. But hi, Paddy and Alicia from Italy. From Italy, from Pisa. They are here in the house. I have... just reading Stephen's comment again. Lovely to have you all here. So, any opportunities now? Nothing really, not in the last 20 minutes. It's nice that we're getting a little bit of growth into the after hours, but that doesn't make a difference. The only thing that could happen is if Virgin Galactic would pop, I would trim some off the top and put it in my uninvested cash, and I'd buy back. I think once Virgin Galactic changes from handmade spaceships to scalable manufactured aluminium spaceships, the stock price will find new price levels, I'm sure. We're just waiting for that news, though. It's about patience. We're also waiting if Virgin Orbit suddenly popped up. I would take some profits there. Also, if we get a break in the war and Europe starts returning to normal, Tesco will go up and I will sell some there as well and put in my uninvested cash. That time will come. Just need to be patient for it, though. Tilray Brands, I think we're going to get one last leg down before we get some news. What's going on, says Steve Ale. Lovely to have you here, Crag, says Ale. Okay. Now then, if there's anybody that's not in our cash prize giveaway, let me know and I will give you the link and you can be in next Friday's cash giveaway. Just ask me in the chat and I will give it to you. Tonight, in just under an hour from now, I'm doing some live music. If you want to join me for a live event, here is our live event there. And we could all, if someone does a super chat request, we could do Auld Lang Syne together. How about that? If someone wants to do an Auld Lang Syne super chat, we will do Auld Lang Syne in tonight's show for all of us together. How cool would that be? Just a little thought if anybody wants that. Hiya, Bill. Lovely to have you here. There it is. And that way we can celebrate New Year together on the show. Now, we are back on Tuesday. There's no show on Monday. It's a bank holiday, of course. We're back on Tuesday. Nothing really to say at the moment. Nothing dropping dramatically. Nothing popping up enough for me to buy. And I've only got $300 and so at the moment, but I'll have money on Wednesday. I'll earn it tomorrow night, and it'll be back in the bank on Wednesday, and I'll be able to buy some dips. So that'll be good. Bad time to sell space. Yeah, but I understand where you're coming from, Alex, but there's more to my portfolio than just one stock. There's a whole array of issues. If you watch the video, hopefully you said you did. Did it not make sense, what I was trying to say? Balance is everything. Your mind, it doesn't matter if you miss out on a pump. It doesn't matter. It's not important. There's opportunity missed every single day. There's a million stocks, million shares, million things I could do. Lottery tickets, go on gigs, earn money, sell stuff. There's a million opportunities every single day. That doesn't mean to say I do every single one. As long as I'm moving forward, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. There'll be another opportunity. And at the end of the day, all I want to do is achieve $200,000. However I get there, it doesn't matter which stock does it. It doesn't make a damn bit of difference. Anyway, we've got just 20 minutes to go. We've got day trader of the day. And if 4 pops up next week and I make a profit, I'm going to add more space. That's exactly the sort of thing I will do. But remember, right now, space is 10% of my portfolio. It's very, very, very overweighted. That's okay. I am very bullish on it. But yes, I have every intention of taking profits from Virgin Orbit when it flies. Absolutely 100%. I'm also going to take money from Tesco's once it goes up as well. And the cash I have in the bank will all be there ready for the dips to come. Just got to be patient, enjoy the ride. Absolutely right. Caden's spot on. You can't force this. Can't force it. And that's what we did before. We forced it. We forced Tesla to go all the way up. Everybody bought it. Nobody sold it until it all got dropped and dumped. Anyway, learn that lesson. Won't make that mistake again. Okay, we're coming up to the quarter hour. It's time to run a commercial break. Then we've got our day trader of the day, ring the bell, and then we're going to hopefully wish everybody a happy new year on the music channel in 45 minutes from now. If you've not yet signed up for the event, there it is. I'll put it in the chat right now. I'll do it twice. There you go. It's going to be a 20-minute event. That's all, not very long. Here is the Drive Home Show. There we go. We've got 10 people already liked it. Thank you so much indeed. And in the chat, we already have Ali Tisrow, Mike, Stephen, Bill, Brian Warby. That's a new person there. And, of course, the Queen of Self-Braiding is there as well. Awesome stuff. Right, so we'll see you there over there very shortly. Excellent. So we'll do day trader of the day in the next 10 minutes. So get to stand by for that. And I'm down 0.66 today. I would have been down today about 3% if I'd held my full balance of all my margin, 50 grand's worth of stocks. I would have been down somewhere in the region of about 3% today. So you can agree with me, I'm sure, that it was the right thing to do. And that's just one element of it. There's many elements of it. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back with you again. Just checking the systems, all good. My opinion is that space would need a totally different market mood to really take off, especially low interest rates, but also less geopolitical fears. I think ETORO, you are right to a degree, but remember, stocks don't just trade on their fundamentals, their values, whether the company are doing well. They also trade on retail investors hyping and pumping and dumping and tweeting and registering and God knows what else. So there's the whole thing. And I'm sure that when we see some good news, people will push Virgin Galactic and it will go up. I'm sure of that. But is it the best time? No, of course not. Of course not. Nice to see my portfolio close into the final moments. This is your very last chance. You've literally got 15 minutes left, and then the after hours time for me. I've got another 3. What is it? 3, 4, 5. So I've got another 4 hours of after hours I can use to 7 o'clock this evening to sell if I wanted to for taxed harvesting. I'm not. I've done enough. I've got no taxes to pay. Everything will be great, and I don't need to sell anything else. I'm not going to buy anything else. I'm not going to sell anything else unless there's a massive pump now in the next 15 minutes and then into the after hours. And you never know. There could be. Virgin Galactic could announce something and it could pop up. Who knows? The war could stop and suddenly everyone buys in and everything goes crazy in the after hours. Who knows? I doubt it, but you never know. We need the meme phenomenon as well. we could do with that, I suppose. Yeah, but it's not how I'm investing. If that's a bonus, but I will make sure I don't get affected by that like last time. Last time I got affected by that and didn't sell my pops when I should have done. Anyway, I think we'll see $40 in space on the flight in this climate. Crag, that would be fantastic, wouldn't it? Wouldn't that be fantastic? Hello from Sydney, Canada. Welcome to you. Hopefully, Crag, 40 sounds good to me. Everybody be thrilled to bits with that. Good afternoon to Ed Neveryears. The shadow knows, says Bill. All right. Good afternoon, Ed. Now, it's our last show of the year, so I want to thank everyone for an amazing year. It's been a year and a half we've been together, and we will be back in 35 minutes for a 20-minute New Year's Eve party. If anybody wants to request Auld Lang Syne, you can, and we'll have a little bit of a sing-along together, just 20 minutes. And we're back on Tuesday. And on Tuesday, I will announce who the star of the year is. I've been running a competition all year to look for the person that's been most engaging, most supportive, been here, and ranks above all others, supporting the channel. So that's somebody who's watched everything, commented on everything, liked everything. Is there a person? Well, there might be. And my analytics can show me who has done the most for the channel, who has been the number one, and there's a star prize, and it will be announced on the first show on Tuesday. Who is that person? We will find out on Tuesday. Hello, stock fans. Bootsy187, how are you? Hi, Bill. How are you feeling today, Bill? You said you were in a lot of pain the last few days. How are you feeling? Right, we're getting a bit of a bounce into the close. Nothing dramatic, but it's nice to see something coming here. The S&P just tailing up a little bit. Virgin Galactic having a nice little rally, but I'm still down 12%. Virgin Orbit is falling back again. Tesla up nearly 1%. Nothing amazing. Rivian down 2.4 today. Thanks so much to you, Martin. Yes, it was fabulous, great, and an amazing year. Thank you, Ale. And it was. And we had our first day trader party in England. That was incredible. Alicia and Patricia were there. It was great. Amazon rising. It's I've got a good position in Amazon. I'm down nearly $1,000 though. I'd like to buy more at a lower price. Apple is, again, these are all companies that could drop dramatically in the new year. Coca-Cola, great companies. Like to own these. I've been trying to buy Google all day at 85. And we shall see if we can do that. That was an outstanding tip you gave yesterday, Ed. I didn't get on it, but I watched it today. Great work. Ed does an amazing job for everybody. There's so many opportunities there. Ed does such a fantastic job for everyone. Lots of opportunities there, all shared on the Discord. And it's free if anyone's not taking advantage of all these perks and benefits. Here is the Discord. You can access Discord for free, but if you want to talk to Ed and see the exclusive content, you need to be a YouTube member. Here is the invitation to join, should you wish to do so. Spaceline, thanks for picking up the baton where Wolf of Dubai dropped it. It's my absolute pleasure. It really is my pleasure. I'll always be here. See, some people come into being on YouTube for the short time, or when things are easy, when everything's going up, it's easy, right? It's easy. When I started doing this, it was easy. Everything was going up. Well, we've seen a lot of those YouTubers disappear when it started going down. Well, I'm not going anywhere. I think after a year and a half, I've proved that. I've been through everything together. I'm not going anywhere. Feel better, Bill, says Ed. We hope so. Rising into the close. Okay, nice little rally here from Virgin Galactic. It's not enough to sell anything. I don't need to sell anything now. I don't need to buy anything now. AO says, yes, it was wonderful. Absolutely. We have to say thank you also for making the party possible to become real. Well, it was all because of you. You know, it's all very well me organising it, but if no one turned up, it would be pretty rubbish, wouldn't it? So it's all down to you guys. I'm just a train driver. You guys are the train. I'm just driving the train along. All right. So nice little rally into the close. Optimistic for a new year, perhaps. You always need to buy money. You always need to buy. Money never sleeps, says Mohammed Kahin. Okay, so then let's do day trader of the day. Arrival is up 12% today. Arrival is up 12%. Anybody notice that? Robinhood, we're getting a nice little bounce into the close. That's nice. Nothing too amazing, but it's nice to be... I wonder if we could end the year green. Let's have a look. I wonder if we could end the year green. We should have a poll, shouldn't we? I wonder if we could end the year green. What do you reckon? Look at that. That'd be kind of nice. Doesn't mean a great deal, but it'd be kind of nice, wouldn't it? End the year green. Start the year on Tuesday. Hello, Mike. How you feeling? I'm getting better. I think the COVID has passed, but now I'm in the cold and flu-y type situation. And... that's getting better. My cough is under control. At least it is for now. You're up 10%. Right. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's do that right now. Let's get everyone checked in first of all. We've got 30 watching and 16 likes. Right. Before we do day trader of the day, we need to get 20 likes at least. At least. Already? Okay. 1 minute on the clock. We need some likes. What is going on? What is going on? Let's get some likes here a minute. Look. 17 likes. That needs to be at least 20. Come on. Said a whoomp, chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said a whoomp, chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Would the real Satoshi stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. 19. There's 28 watching. Look, 28 watching, so we should easily be at 20. There we go. We got the 20. Awesome stuff. Thank you very much indeed. Appreciate that a lot. There we go. All right, 22. Pretty good. What a way to end the year. Right, day trader of the day right now. So let's do that. Let's do day trader of the day and see where everybody is today. Imagine 18 months ago, someone said Virgin Galactic stock price on December 22 will consist of digits 3, 4, 8. You would have asked if it's 3480 or 348. Yeah, but unfortunately, it's a different world where we are right now, I'm afraid. Okay, let's go to day trader of the day. Let me go to my main position here, and let's bring it on in. I'm down 0.25. I'm very, very happy with that. All right. Put your scores on the doors. Down 0.21%. I wonder if we're going to turn green in the last few moments. Last year's space was over 20. I bought it at one point. It went to 70. Remember all of that? Oh, my gosh. When it was all on the news and everybody was excited about it. Okay, down. I'm down 2.1. Let's get the scores on. You ready? Let's put a minute on the clock. Let's put a minute on the clock. Here we go. Up 1.53. Fantastic, Mohammed. Lovely stuff. Down 0.43, says Bav Mystery. Down 0.21, so Mohammed is in the lead at the moment. We've got 3 minutes to go before the bell goes. Looking good. Looking good. Who's going to win? Is Mohammed the winner tonight? You're not buying Lucid anymore? Yes, I'll buy Lucid. I think Lucid's a good company. I've sold it for the minute though. Up 0.5, says Stephen Lewandowski. It looks to me like the winner is Mohammed, up 1.53. Queen of Cell Braiding is up 0.73. So the winner tonight is, without doubt, Mohammed Kahine. Congratulations. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And let's bring in the sound effects. Here we go. Awesome stuff. I just realised my sound's turned down. That's better. I thought that was a bit quiet. Right, we're very close to turning green. Thank you, Mr. Lucas. You're very welcome, Mohammed Kahine. Congratulations, Mohammed. Very well done indeed. All right, so we've got 1 minute to go before the bell goes. Let's see what happens in the after hours. Let's see how it all pans out. Just $57 down. And I can't wait for next month or on Monday or Tuesday to have some cash, and I'll use it when it's the right time. Just peaked for the day. Here we go. 1 minute to go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Last minute pump. Let's see what happens. The overall portfolio, not a great deal going on at the moment. 30 seconds to go. Tax harvesting is finished. That's it. You've got until your after hours. For me, it's 3 hours left, but that's pretty much it, though. And then it all starts with a bit of a rally on Tuesday. Everyone's going to get excited now, though, right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Hang on. There we go. Where's my exchange bell? There we go. Will you ever like Elon Musk? I used to. I don't know him, of course, but I think he's behaved appallingly. Will I ever buy... Oh, there you go. Now, that's a very different question. You're saying, will I ever buy Tesla? Yes, of course. But whether I like Elon Musk has nothing to do with it. I simply want to make money. I simply want to invest in companies that make a profit. That's it, and make a return on my investment. That's it. I don't care about Elon Musk. I don't care for him at all. I think he should be thrown out of being a CEO. I think he represents his company terribly. But that doesn't matter what I think, or whether I like him or not. It's irrelevant. All right. Well, that is it. We've come to the end of the show. I will be back in half an hour on tonight's live event. And if anyone requests an Auld Lang Syne, we'll do New Year's Eve together. It's a 20-minute event. There is the link to tonight's event on my music channel. It goes live in 28 minutes from now. If between now and then you've got 15 minutes free, go and check out my special announcement video. I would love everyone to leave a comment below. Please only watch it, click on it, if you can actually watch it for 15 minutes, because I have a very, very high engagement rate on it. It's really going well. It's my #1 video in the first hour and a half now. So if you click on that link now, the special announcement video, please let it run for 15 minutes. It's a 15-minute video. Tell you all about rebalancing my portfolio and my vision for the future, and apologies to you and everything. So there it is. Please leave a comment below. All right, that's it from me. I look forward to seeing you all back on Tuesday. I look forward to seeing you all here on the music channel in just 27 minutes time. That'd be great to have you there. I see people already coming over. Wonderful stuff. So you've got a little bit of time to watch that video if you wish to do so. And thank everybody for who's been helping with my music channel as well. All right, that's it from me. Just time to roll the credits. I don't think we've got anyone become a member or nothing like that tonight, but I will roll the credits regardless anyway. Let's go into it and let's do it. Yeah, the credits aren't that very impressive tonight. No one became a member or subscribers or anything like that. Now, don't forget, you need to go and update your Twitch subscribers. 2 of them have just dropped off. Amazon don't pay for it automatically. They do pay for it, your Amazon, your Twitch. And the money I get from that, I give back to you on the first Friday of every month. You need to do it manually, though. Once a month it drops off, and they're not going to renew it because they're paying it, aren't they? So there you go. ETORO says, see you next year. Good luck, everyone. Happy New Year. Beautiful. There we go. Paddy, lovely stuff. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Elon Musk is Canadian too, is he? I think you'll find yourself African. I think Elon Musk comes from South Africa. But anyway, he may have a dual citizenship of Canada, but he's actually from South Africa. Anyway, Project Freedom, I've been thinking about what you said, selling half of your stuff off, but you know you can open a new account with whoever you're with, and took your most high losing investment and double down. Of course I can buy back, but you can't have 2 accounts with Robinhood. What you can have, however, are the Roth IRAs and your main brokerage account and a traditional account. So you can have 3 accounts. Yes, you can. You can have 3 accounts with Robinhood. You can't open another account. I'm recovering my losses by remaining in the market and adding. I don't have to buy back stocks that were down to make back losses. I could sell all my Tesla for a loss and put all the money in Coca-Cola and make it back that way. It doesn't matter how I make my money. Some people get confused about that. They feel if you've lost money in a stock, you've got to somehow hang on forever and somehow get back in again. No, you don't. I can make money any way I like as long as my portfolio goes up. It doesn't matter which stock goes up. and how I make it. Right, guys, I'll see you back in 25 minutes. Otherwise, I'll see you back on Tuesday. Hope to see you in a minute. If anybody wants to request Auld Lang Syne, you can. But that's it from me. Thanks for a wonderful year. See you back live in a minute and back on Tuesday. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Happy New Year.